I hope you all are well and doing so well. In this video, I'm going to talking about Adobe and how can you get it for your education. And like I'm going to show you that how can you get it for education for free, and so many tools you can use them for free as a educator or a student. So I hope you all are good, and let's start today's video. And what is Adobe? I hope we don't need to tell these things about this software actually, because everyone of us know about Adobe so much. And Adobe, formerly Adobe System, and is an American computer software based in, and this is the information of Adobe's. Nothing in this important. So after let's start this video for making Adobe. How can you get for education for free? And simply you need to first of all search Adobe and on Google. Simply here, after searching you will got this page. So simply you need to click here on Adobe's website's link. After clicking you will got this page. So simply you need to visit here and down and you need to find out the main option for gaining the Adobe for education. Simply here is the option for education. Here is the option or discounts for students or teachers. If you click here, you'll got this page that's not free for education or student actually, and this is 19 almost $20 per month for the first year. And so we see here that that is not free for a student. So how can you get it free? Simply go back. After going back, here is the option of schools and universities, then digital learning solutions. Simply you need to go schools and universities. After that you will got this page. Simply you need to go down and find out the information about higher education, and simply you need to go learn more. After this will be one of the page. Then after that you need to find out another option. So you need to go, here's the option faculty members, academic leaders, student, and simply you need to go here. So after getting these options and this page, you need to go down and learn how to easy teach and access the creativity. And now you need to click here, explore all our free courses and training material for educator. You need to go explore now. So simply professional learning for educator powered by Adobe for education. You need to go there, and after going you need to go down and again. Now here's the option Adobe Express student session watch on demand or register for live session. And here's some option explore more learning. You can choose this option also. So here you need to go to Adobe Max for education. Also there are also some Adobe Creative Educators. So you need to click here get start. and for an educator you will got this options freely. So after that, clicking on this option, that is the learn how to easy teach and assess creative skills. You need to go simply click here enroll now. After enroll now clicking, you will got this page and level 1 creativity for all. And simply you need to you can use these products also for Photoshop, Illustrator and Adobe, this for free. And simply you need to go enroll here. And here's the option join Adobe Education Exchange for free. And how can you get it? Now simply you need to go this option, sign up with school email. And now there's the process of doing this thing. Create an account. Simply you need an email and password. So here will be your school or university email that you have, and I'm going for put my email address, and actually this is an email. Simply paste it, and you need to give a password here. So I'm going to put my password. You need to put your password. So simply after that you need to go continue. So here you can choose your name, date of birth. You can put your birth date here. Then please contact with my email. Then country region, you need to choose the United States. And wait a little for the browsing. And here is the option. Now we got welcome to Adobe, and that's our Adobe ID, and that is the Adobe ID that we have entered the account within this email. And now we need to click for verification. And successfully the email has been verified. And continue. Now here we need to just simply log in on it. And after waiting a little, you will got your free membership Creative Cloud, and the apps free for you actually. Adobe Express, Adobe and View all apps. I am going to show actually the apps I got free. This is the free for me. This is Adobe Express. And the others maybe I need to buy. Adobe Stock is also free. Adobe Fonts also free. Frame IO also free for me. And as education. And let's see what things for free for me. Substance 3D Assist also free for me. Substance 3D Community Assist also free. I can use them free actually. Here's the Adobe Live also free for me. If we go for the options like we need to buy, let us start something to see like Illustrator. If we can get in them for free trial, we can get. Let's see, start. Or they give us the it's free or not. We'll go for this option. And maybe this is not for free for us actually, educator. Here's the option. need to buy it, but we have a very helpful for us, that's $20 per month for us, and normally that's costly for $60 per month, but if sign up with the student or teacher account, we can get it for only $20. Creative Cloud all apps. And that's everything about this education plan of Adobe. So maybe the video is very helpful for you guys. Actually, I hope this video is helpful for you guys also, and hopefully very important for the Adobe user. And the Creative Cloud free member we got any domain after verifying this. This also free for us. And these apps also free for us also, and for an education plan for free you can use them actually: Photoshop, Adobe Express, Acrobat, Fonts, and Stock, and that's it. Hopefully this video is helpful for you guys, and stay with us, and thanks for watching.